Hey guys, how are you all doing? I'm doing great. Welcome or welcome back. This is going to be my full day steady routine and this has been my routine since the past few weeks because सभी को पता है कि जनवरी में कौन सा एग्जाम है और उसके लिए हमें कितना मेहनत करनी चाहिए. I don't know कि if my effort is going to be worth it, but still, even if it's worth it or not, I'm gonna put my effort till the last minute. So I feel satisfied that I have done enough hard work and now what matters is result. Result जो आएगा, that's completely the output of our hard work. My day starts at 6 in the morning but my sleep is unpredictable in the winters. अगर मैं 6 को उठती भी हूँ, I don't know when I'm gonna sleep again. Maybe at 6:30 या 7 मैं सो जाती हूँ, 2 घंटे बाद उठती हूँ and then I realize, अरे यार I wasted 2 hours. Winters are always against my productivity. I can't help. I'm very lazy in this winter especially. So yes, I wake up at any time. I quickly take a shower or just fresh up, have my breakfast which was sandwiches today and उसके बाद I quickly come back to my room and sit to study. But study करने से पहले I quickly go through my social media because I have an ultimate goal कि next 2-3 hours के लिए I am not going to open any of the social media app. But since I study from YouTube, I can't ignore YouTube even if it's a social media platform. When exams get near, all we do is search for the sample papers. But the main question is, which sample paper book would be the right one for us? Guess what? I have got a solution to this question. The sample papers that have boosted my confidence and made my exam prep go easy. Not just for me, but for all of us who are looking forward to ace their exams. Here are the Physics Wala sample papers that consist of 6 sample papers for each subject. This also includes the topper explanations. These will improve our time management skills with regular practice and help us to assess ourselves. They cover the latest NCERT syllabus and are very much familiar to the CBSE board exam pattern. The sample papers are of various levels, easy, medium, hard, which will help us to prepare better. And if you wish to buy these books, then check out the link that I have provided in the community as well as in the description box. They're available in the PW store and also in Flipkart, Amazon. And let me tell you, if you don't know, that Physics Wala also provides the sample papers of various other streams like humanities and commerce. Go and check them out too. Use my coupon code SHT150 for a special discount only applicable in the PW store. Getting back to the vlog guys, so today I'm studying aromatic hydrocarbons and I never thought कि organic would be this haunting for me. Physical and inorganic has my whole heart, but organic has my full hate. In case of organic, all you need is a good logic and you need to be linking the concept which you are studying right now with the concept that you have studied previously, which I hate the most, but अब क्या ही कर सकते हैं यार. Organic likes it, so we need to like it. We have no other option. You guys can look at me, my facial expressions. It's very neutral. Sometimes I keep it very sad without any reason. Whenever I'm studying organic मतलब ही trauma for me यार. I feel so isolated these days, sitting in one room with a book, with a pen, with a lecture going on in front of our eyes, making notes, solving PYQs, and this is what I've been going through life since the past few weeks. So this is how my first study session ends, which lasts till 2 o'clock with some breaks in between. उसके बाद I have my lunch. Lunch time is the only peace time for me because it's the time when I get refreshed. I have my food. I spend some time on social media. I watch some TV with my mom, my dad. It's so refreshing. And उसके बाद my next study session starts at 3 in the afternoon and lasts till 6 या 6:30. Totally depends कि अभी कितना lecture बाकी है. I mostly try to complete the chapter by 6 या 7. But अगर if the duration of the lecture is too high, then it will almost take 8 या 9 in the night. तो अगर मेरा चैप्टर 6 तक हो भी गया, I take some break in between and उसके बाद I keep starting a new chapter. So I did the same thing today. My lecture was done by 7 o'clock. तो उसके बाद I took a hour break and at 8 I started a new chapter, that's equilibrium. Now the question that you guys will raise in the comments is, what about physics and math? Is your syllabus done? Do you have any backlog? यार मेरा बहुत बैकलॉग है फिजिक्स और मैथ में. राइट नाउ इन जनवरी आई 10 माई होल फोकस इज ऑन फिजिक्स एंड केम एंड आई हैव सेड दिस इन माई प्रीवियस व्लॉग्स ऑल्सो. फिजिक्स मेरा पूरा 12th हो चुका है एंड 11th आई हैव done half of it. I still have some more to do, but since we don't have enough time, I try to cover most of the high weightage chapters और उसके PYQs मुझे solve करनी है. January is totally given for PYQs. मैथ्स में आई डिड फ्यू चैप्टर्स लाइक 5 to 6 चैप्टर्स और उन्हीं चैप्टर्स के PYQs करके आई एम गोइंग टू गिव माई एग्जाम. द रेस्ट ओवर चैप्टर्स आई ट्राई टू कवर इट बिफोर द अप्रैल अटेम्प्ट एंड दिस इज माई अल्टीमेट गोल बिकॉज नॉट जस्ट JEE, I have other entrance exams also. So उनके point of view में से I have to prepare all the chapters. I can't skip, right? And you guys tell me how is your preparation going on? आप लोग comments ही नहीं लिखते कि हमारा preparation ऐसा चल रहा है ऐसा चल रहा है. How will I know, guys? I share everything with you. You guys don't share anything with me. That's not fair, ना? तो चलो अभी जाके एक comment लिखो. And if you love watching my study vlogs, then hit the video a like, bro. Once the chapter for today is done, I have a peaceful tea break. I also have some snacks in between. I watch vlogs of my favorite YouTubers and this is what makes my mind refreshing. And also जो भी vlogs मैं देख रही हूँ आजकल, it's totally steady vlogs. Steady vlogs देख के मुझे और भी motivation मिलता है कि मुझे भी ऐसा vlog बनाना है and मुझे भी पढ़ाई करनी है. In the evening, whenever I start studying a new chapter, I could study that only for 1.5 or 2 hours. That's because morning से लेके शाम तक I'm tired of listening to lecture. And उसके बाद again lecture. I get so frustrated at that point that I just wanna sleep. So I'm not a night person these days because morning I'm giving enough time for my studies. So रात को I'm just gonna take rest because next morning I have to feel energetic again to complete my rest over syllabus. That's it for the video, guys. This is my updated winter study routine. I'll see you all again. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Love you all. Bye.